Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, you're gonna help me clean this disgusting mess of a garage. Boy, I tell ya, winter, this place becomes a dump ground. It's terrible. So, big morning, gonna get this cleaned up as best I can. There's just dirt and mess everywhere, so let's make it look beautiful. Grab a broom. Let's go. I guess the first place I'll start is with my plants here that I've been overwintering in the garage, because I can just cut all this debris off of here. And then I can, throw it onto the ground and sweep it up. So that might be the first place to start. So I overwinter my geraniums in the garage, and they're coming back to life. Well, they've been alive all winter, but now they're ready to get freshened up and repotted. I think last year I kept them in this same dirt, same pots, and this year it's time, I think, to actually pull them right out and put some new soil in the pots. And yeah, I'm gonna maybe even start some cuttings off of these. So these are my mother plants, and then I can start more babies from these, and they just keep on going. End up with lots of geraniums this way, and it works really good. And they're so easy to grow. I love geraniums. They're so hardy. I think I've read you can keep geraniums up to 40 years. Like, they'll just keep going and going. So I like plants that are like that, because that's the kind of plants I grow the best. Ones that are low maintenance. Okay, that guy is looking good. Just gonna mostly pull off these dead leaves. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna cut them back and start some new ones. And it's gonna be nice out today, so I might even put these outside just for a little bit. It's still a little too cool to leave them out, but I can, let them get a little fresh air, a little sunshine, and that's gonna make them very happy, I'm sure. Give them a good drink. Well, once I refresh their soil, I'll give them a good drink, and they'll be good to go. There's actually 2 plants in this one, so I could separate those out. Okay, so there's one done. Put him down on the ground for now. Look at this guy. Oh, he's even grown up through the shelf here, but is he ever getting leggy? Yeah. Just pull back all this mess. Oops. Oh dear. Oh, I love starting spring stuff. I wish I had more time off. Today's my only day off, and I have 1,000,001 things to do. But this garage was my #1 thing, because it is just gross. I can't stand it. Can't stand the mess anymore. Oh, this poor guy. She got lots of dead on her. Okay, I think I might have to get out my scissors on this baby. Hang on, just walking over here to get my scissors. I don't actually have any of my pruning tools. Oh, I do still, here's one. Okay, let's try this. I have to use my kitchen scissors because I can't find my, okay, let's see. Oh, I'm seeing new shoots coming off all this dead stuff. So I don't want to cut that. Yep, this guy's gonna need a good haircut. Oops, sorry, you're attached. You're still alive. Still have lots of snow out there. Out the window I can see lots of snow in the backwoods. But spring is slowly starting. I think I can cut this one. Seems to be fairly gone. This one. Take off that. Let's see, that's alive. Got dead there. The rate I'm going is going to take me 6 days to get this garage clean. Oh, but I'd rather play with my plants than sweep floors, deal with all the other stuff, but it's got to get done. This garage is just, like I said, it's a dumping ground in the winter. We just drive in, throw stuff down, drive out. Don't really put things away. We just want to do the minimal and then get in the house because it's cold. But I mean, our garage is heated, but not well heated. We keep it very cool in here. Just warm enough to keep the plants alive over the winter. The plants I'm saving. Okay, that's looking a little better. And I will come back and I will trim these down, these really tall bits, and start some new, I think I'll try and start some new geraniums from them. Okay, so that one's good. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with the whole event here. I'll just keep going until I get this all done, and then I'll show you something different next. Look at that. I haven't repotted them yet, but the dead leaves are gone and everything's swept up and it looks so beautiful there. That is the only part of the garage that looks beautiful. Now, viewer discretion is advised because as I pan around here, I have moved everything out from under our stairs. Stairs that go up into our house. And what did I find? Some sort of disgusting animal residue. So the kitties, this is my husband's area out here. I take care of the inside cats. He takes care of the outside cats who like to live in our garage all through the winter. And if he doesn't clean their litters often enough, I think this is what happens. So, because it's so low under there, I can't stand up. I'm gonna have to get down on my hands and knees to clean that. So I'm gonna do it because the smell emanating from that, wafting up the stairs as you come out or go in is, well, let's just say it's nauseating. So, it's such a nice day out. I've got the garage door wide open and I am tackling at least this half of the garage and this disgusting mess. Okay, that is so much better. I've got I had pulled everything out, got down there and washed it all. And then I did up the stairs. I cleaned up that area, got rid of a bunch of stuff that had just somehow landed there. And then I swept and washed all that, washed down the door. This thing needs a coat of paint, to be sure, but it's looking much better. I just have to finish this little bit right here. And then that's it for today. I'm not gonna tackle my husband's side because my back's hurting me and I'm pooped. This was a huge job, huge. But it's gotta get done. Oh, what a mess. What a mess that was. Anyways, I feel good about it. I feel really happy that I got it done. So, a few little things over there still to put away, but doing good, doing really good. Whew, thanks for helping me with it. I'm glad you don't have smell-o-vision because that was nasty. Okay, I'm gonna call that a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for helping me with my spring cleanup and encouraging me to keep going when I feel like giving up. And I will talk to you again real soon. Bye for now.